everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate BMO Credit Card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your BMO Credit Card account online, simply go open up a web browser. In the text box at the top, type in Activate BMO Credit Card and press enter on your keyboard. You can activate your BMO Credit Card over the phone call by calling this number at the top, or if you want to do it online, scroll a bit down and click on Activate My BMO Credit Card -BMO link. Once you click on the link, this will take you to a new tab. Here, you can easily activate your new credit card, enter your 16-digit card number in the first text box, and type in your expiration date on the next. Now, enter your security code on the back of your credit card, which is 3 digits long, and finally, click the next button. You'll need to type in your social security number and other information on the next page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, and that should be enough to activate your credit card for BMO. That way you can easily activate your BMO credit card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.